Hey, and remember that time we watched that movie with that cheesy Peter Gabriel song in it?
Yes, and you cried.
Come on, they were happy tears. It was a very moving moment.
Sure, if you don't have a dick.
Oh, come on, I think you had a little something going on in the eye area too, alright?
Well, maybe.
Yeah.
Oh, what happened to us, Stuart? We used to get along just fine.
You two are gonna give me some answers right now.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm Ricky. Stuart was always looking after me until the stranger arrived, who showed me how to learn new things, like bravery and logic. I'm not so sure about what's going on around here, but I'm gonna find out. Oink. Me and the guys have been figuring things out, and you're obviously trying to keep Ricky down, man. Me? You've been trying to control him ever since the beginning, man. I'm not controlling him, I'm protecting him. From what, man?
Wait, I thought it was him you didn't trust.
Why don't you trust me?
Because you're a prick.
Yeah, and you're the reason why Ricky's here in the first place. There better be a simple and logical reason why you put me here and you keep me here.
Things aren't always that simple, Richard.
You don't understand. Why don't you help me understand? And you know, I'm not an idiot.
Have it your way.
Yeah, good luck, Ricky.
Holy Christ on a diet, man. Where'd he go?
Oh, you got him, beauty, eh?
Who are you guys?
I am Evan, and this is my brother Kyle.
How's it going, eh? Where's the kid?
That we are about to find out.
Thanks for stopping him. We've been trying to catch this kid like forever, eh?
You got ink on my fingers. Do you see this, Kyle?
Apparently, his name is Hitler.
Do you see this, Kyle? See, Kyle? See, Kyle?
You're wrecking Ricky's life again. Just stay away from me.
Fine, so long as you stay away from me.
I will.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I like it like that.
Sounds good to me.
Fine.
Fine.
He's Hitler? But he's just a kid. Oh, we were all kids at some time, weren't we? But he's gonna start World War II when he grows up.
And Nazism will spread across Europe like a virus.
What am I gonna do with him?
He is evil. He should be destroyed.
But he's just a kid, eh? Wouldn't killing him be, like, immortal?
You mean immoral? Any less immoral, allowing him to live, knowing he is destined to kill millions of people?
But there's still good in him, I can sense it, eh?
I know. Maybe if we're nice to him now, he won't be such a jerk when he grows up. Hey, Adolf! You want to have some fun? What's going on between you two?
So, what's up your ass?
We used to get along so much better.
It wasn't always like this.
So what went wrong? Something bad.
Something unforgivable.
Stop it.
Thank you.
Did you have fun, Adolf?
Do you see now, Richard? He will never change.
He did kick you nuts twice, eh? Yeah, he did that. Stick him like a pig, eh? Hey, Adolf.
Well, it seems logical to me, man, that one of you guys is gonna have to make the first move, or this is never gonna be resolved.
Sometimes all it takes is a little bravery to be the first one to offer a hand of apology.
You'll never do that.
I'm talking about you, asshole.
You're right.
Yeah.
You're right.
In your eyes, the light, the heat. I am complete.
Go to him, man.
1,000 churches. Of all the fruitless soldiers.
Hey guys, what's going on? Oh, hey, what you learned this time, Ricky man? Well, Lloyd, I learned that morality can be a really complicated thing. I was given the chance to kill Hitler before he started World War II.
So you did, right?
Catch was he was just a kid, eh? But still a hosehead.
However, Richard was capable of coming up with a moral compromise we could all agree on. I let him go.
You let him go scot-free?
Well, not before I cut off one of his balls.
Who?
Jeez, I don't think they like that. They're never gonna stop.